Hey, it's Zach down here at Krietz Auto. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the courtesy inspections with every oil change. Now, it doesn't matter if you bought a vehicle from us or not. As long as you're bringing it in for an oil change, we do a free 30-point inspection to make sure your vehicle is up to par and ready to go. Here's Bradley to talk to you more about the 30-point inspection.
Brakes, left, right, reverse, good. Lights on, tag lights, good. Low beams, good. Left, right, high beams, good, all good.
No lights on dashboard.
Check the air filter for leaves, dirt, excessive debris. Underneath the box as well. Check brake fluid while we're here. Level, condition, make sure they're good. Check the battery cables, make sure they're tight, not corroded. Coolant, hoses, squeeze them, make sure they're not soft, swollen, cracked, rotten. Transmission fluid, make sure that that's clean, that's good. Check the radiator, look along the seams, fan's good, all wires good. Coolant level, it's full, it's clean. Belt, check the belt. Make sure it's tight, not cracked or anything. That's good. Our steering fluid, clean. Side to side, check the tie rods up and down. Ball joint, spinner, wheel bearing. Gotta do all four.
Bradley, high gear, got 4 waiters.
Checking the rear drums, check the seals, check all the hardware, make sure it's good. Pad, shoe lining, it's good. Check inside the drum, it's not cracked or anything, so we're good here. Checking for leaks in the struts. CV axles. Check for leaks and brakes in the boots. Sway bar length. Check for play. Trans, look for leaks along that. Oil, look for oil leaks. Pretty clean. Check on here. Radiator. Exhaust. Check for rattles, rust holes. Hangers. Good. Alright. Brake lines, fuel line. Check them all. Ball joints. Good. Rack and pinion. Check for leaks on the rack. Good.